Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use ClickMagick to track your funnel. So ClickMagick is a great piece of software where you can track the actions, you can track the engagements, and you can also track the sales of your specific sales funnel, even if you don't have access to the creator of the course's sales funnel. So as you can see on my one, I just normally just track actions. Okay, so actions will be like an opt-in that you get on your opt-in page. So you can see this one has 104 clicks with 28 actions for a 26.9% opt-in rate there. So what you can do to do that is you come to the tools section, then you come down to tracking pixels, then you click on pixel builder, and you'll create a different tracking pixel in order to track these different actions. So for the actions, if you click on, make sure it's on actions, then you give it a reference value. It can be anything that you want, and then you'll see you get a tracking code. So if you want to track the actions, copy that to your clipboard, go to your thank you page. So I'm using ClickFunnels, but you can use any landing page software you want. Then I'll go to settings, tracking code, and then put it in the footer. As you can see, there it is, or another one that's in there. Now, if you want to track the sales, it's a slightly different process because you don't actually have access to the owner of the course's sales funnel. So what you need to do is come to this pixel builder and then go to sales, give this another reference value, and you can see now you have a different tracking pixel. So if you copy to this clip, copy that to your clipboard. Now, what you do with the sales tracking code is you want to actually create a bonus page. So you want to obviously save that when you've included your tracking code, and then you can go out. If you're using ClickFunnels or any software you want, you can create a bonus page. So if you go to funnels, you would create a simple bonus page using ClickFunnels. So that can be like or any software. That can be just a blank page with buttons on it to take people to their bonuses. And then what you do is you go into the bonus page and then you include the sales tracking code into the bonus page tracking part of the page. And then when you go to ClickMagick, when people go through your funnel, so then when they click on your link, they opt in, it'll show here. Now when they buy the specific product and you deliver the bonuses to them, and they open up the bonus page, that tracking pixel that we created to track sales will fire off, and then it will show a sale that you made a sale. And that's how you track the sales of a funnel if you don't have access to the owner's sales funnel. So that's how you can track your funnel using ClickMagick. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.